Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about my Mueller yogurt maker. I am using this from some time and it makes amazing curd. This yogurt maker comes with the 8 jars. Each jar is about 150 ml and it have a tight plastic lid on it. There is a button in the center. So to make curd, first I am going to take 150 ml milk. I'm just making 4 today. It's very important which milk you are taking because the whole milk will take less time to set into a perfect curd than 2% or low fat milk. Now we will put 3 teaspoons of curd in a bowl and mix it till there are no lumps in it. After ensuring there are no lumps, we are going to put some milk and then stir it again. We have to ensure it is a smooth, runny mixture. Now as our milk was boiling, we have to heat till it is boiling hot and then keep it separately to cool down. We have to cool it down till the end that you can put your finger and check that it's just the point where you can touch the milk. Okay. Now as my milk is in the right temperature, I am going to put this slurry mixture of curd and milk into the milk, the whole milk, and I am going to stir it and ensure that it's equally distributed. Now I am going to put this milk into these 4 jars which are 150 ml each and tightly close the lid. These are airtight jars. Now my curd maker is set aside to a place where it's not been disturbed any time, and then I'll put on the lid and switch it on. The milk I used was whole milk, so it took around 10 hours to set completely. These are hot right now. I'm going to pop them in the refrigerator. After a few hours, I took it out. It is ready to be served. It's very thick and good texture and creamy curd. You can make yogurt also of different flavors by using this yogurt maker.